In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change store language on Payhip. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you can quickly switch your store to the language that best fits your customers. This is especially helpful if you sell to an international audience, or if you simply prefer managing your store in a different language. Let's start from your Payhip dashboard. First, log into your Payhip account the way you normally do, using your usual login page and credentials. Once you're in, you should land on your main dashboard, where you can see things like your products, sales, and other store information. Now, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Account. Click on that, and a small drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, choose Settings. This will take you to your store settings page, where you can manage how your store looks and behaves. On the store settings page, focus your attention near the top area of the screen. Here, you'll see a section labeled Language. Right below that label, there's a drop-down box that shows the language your store is currently using. This tells you what language your customers are seeing when they visit your store and what language you see in your dashboard interface. Click on this language drop-down. A list of available languages will appear. Take a moment to scroll through and find the language you want to use for your store. When you see your preferred language, click on it to select it. This doesn't change anything just yet, but it prepares the settings so it can be saved. Once you've chosen your new language, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find a button labeled Save Settings. Go ahead and click that button. This step is important because if you don't save, your language choice won't be applied. After you click Save, the page will reload. When it finishes reloading, you should see a small notification appear at the top of the screen, confirming that your profile or settings have been updated. That message is your confirmation that the language change has successfully gone through. At this point, your Payhip store language has been updated. You can navigate around your dashboard or visit your storefront to make sure everything appears in the language you selected. And that's all you need to do to change your store language on Payhip.